Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I would like to welcome all of you to our cash budget meeting of Cake Diaries. Thank you everyone for attending today's meeting. Miss Secretary, do we have any apologies for absence?
No, Mrs. Chairperson.
Alright, let's start our meeting, shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I call upon Miss Secretary to tell us about our cash budget for this past month. How is our ending cash balance for this past month?
For the budget of the previous month is increases every month, which is in April increases amounted 15,600 from, while for May it increases to 2,409,000, and for the last month, which is June, it increases as much as 45 ringgit 300.
Alright, thank you, Miss BATRISYIA. Now I want to call upon Miss Treasurer to present the cash budget for these upcoming 4 months. Everyone, can I have your attention to the slide, please?
Yes.
Okay. Right now, I'm going to state about the statement of the cash budget for 4 months for the year of 2024. And next, so on the August, we have the total cash inflow about 85,750. And then we have the total cash available for about 80,750 also. And the ending of the closing balance is negative 3,503,710. Next, same goes to the September. It will also end negative on the closing balance. And October also to November. So there is decrease from the sale previous month of the year. Alright.
Okay. Miss Treasurer, thank you for the presentation. Are there any questions about the cash budget presented?
No, Miss Chairperson.
Alright then. Now, let's move on to improvements that we could apply to our cash budget. Are there any improvements that anyone would like to suggest?
Yes, Mrs. Chairperson. The first suggestion that I would like to make is we can try to send invoices on time to our customers. And the second one is we can improve our cash flow management by reminding customers to clean our invoices. I think that's all from me.
Okay, that's a great idea. Thank you, Miss AMIRAH. Anything else anyone like to add?
Yes, Ms. Chairperson, I would like to give suggestion about we can also improve our cash flow management by taking advantage of cash flow forecasting. And we must know what our cash projection looks like to improve our cash flow statement and forecasting our cash flow at least 3 months and listing our expected income and expenditure for the planned period to calculate, because there is as we budgeting for the 4 months and above, there is increasing about in the fixed costs especially. So we need to gain more sales in upcoming selling our production. That's all for me.
I see. Okay, that's a great idea, Miss Patricia. And then, anyone else like to add?
Yes, Mrs. Chairperson. I would like to add up another improvement that we can apply on our cash budget, which is we can improve our cash flow by reminding customers to clear out invoices because the late payment crisis. The late payment crisis can affect our cash flow budget and business growth. So whenever an invoice is overdue, we need to send a reminder to our customer via email or through phone so they can pay the invoice early.
Okay, that's all. Thank you, Miss Patricia. So, through these improvements, I hope that we can implement the improvements in our cash budget for the upcoming 4 months. And I think that's all for today's meeting. So I would like to thank you all for joining today's meeting, and I see you guys in the next meeting. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Chairperson.